Hi people, is proud to present the 4th season of the 40 Days 40 Fintechs, an initiative under its Include Everyone program, which is leading the way in advocating for technology that promotes financial inclusivity. Since 2020, we've profiled over 100 fintechs, and our latest season is shining a spotlight on those breaking down digital barriers and transforming lives for the better.
Rita Cavaniero here. Today at the 40 Days 40 Fintechs, we interact with Jumo World, Uganda. Have you heard about Mo Center on MTN or Wewole on Airtel? I think you know what I'm talking about.
My name's Sarah Naluwagga Lubambula. I work in Kalerwe Market.
I'm Shamim, the CEO to the Blixin Grill and Restaurant Oluwombo, located in Kamocha.
My name is Wewole, Country Manager for Jumo World Uganda and Kenya. Jumo is the market-leading banking as a service platform provider. We enable access to funds at the lowest possible operating cost. Integrating into the Jumo platform enables our partners to offer loans, savings, and a wide range of financial choices to a new group of customers. The Jumo platform provides end-to-end banking as a service infrastructure by leveraging machine learning and data to reduce the cost and risk of lending. Jumo is solving the problem of lack of access to financial services for the majority of the people. As we know, the legacy brick and mortar infrastructure does not solve the problem of access to finance for majority of people, especially those in the informal sector, as well as those in the rural areas. Jumo, in partnership with Airtel Mobile Commerce Uganda Limited, offers the Wewole Access Lending product.
It was a friend in a market who came and told me about Wewole. He told me that you have to dial *185, then you go straight to Wewole. That's number 8. After Wewole, you ask for an amount of money. I just tried. It was a trial. I started with 20,000 shillings. When I got it, it was real. Then afterwards, I kept on increasing to 30. I added on 10,000 until I ended to 800,000.
We also have the Mosente access credit solution in partnership with MTN Mobile Money Uganda Limited. Still, customers can choose between the 14 and 30-day loan terms. Customers can borrow from as low as 3,000 shillings, and those customers with a good repayment history can potentially qualify for larger amounts. I must emphasize that to potentially qualify for higher loan amounts, customers have to pay their loans on time every time. They have got to continuously transact on their mobile money wallets, as well as data and voice.
I started using Mo Center last year. Everything happened immediately because when I went on my phone and I pressed the *165 hash, then I proceeded and got the Mo Center. In case you're urgently in need of money, it's so helpful.
Since 2017, Jumo has served about 3.4 million Ugandans. We have disbursed about 20.7 million loans with a value of about US dollars 280 million. 6 out of every 10 loans that Jumo disperses on our platform go out to MSMEs. Those are the micro, small and medium enterprises. And now, according to the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, MSMEs in Uganda make up or contribute 80% to our GDP. So essentially, Jumo is directly contributing to economic growth in Uganda. 1 in every 3 borrowers on the Jumo platform is a woman. And I must also add that at least 50% of the Jumo borrowers are based in rural areas. Now that is very important because traditionally the rural areas have been left out of traditional financial services.
You need some money, even late at night, every time. Even if you have a debt of 300,000, yet you had got a loan of 800, you just top up and get any loan you want.
The major challenges that are facing the fintech industry, and as I mentioned, is that the pace of change is so fast. So when you look at aspects such as regulation, they are always catching up with the innovations. And in most cases, because they are catching up, they never probably understand what it is that we are trying to solve.
Everything has been moving on well, only that the interest rates, Wewole would have decreased the rates so that we enjoy.
The 40 days 40 fintechs has really provided a platform through which the fintech community has been able to amplify our innovations, our solutions. Then the objective of this and the end use of this will be that our customers, for example, will be able to know what it is that we are trying to solution, and they will be able to utilize our innovations. That is number one. Investors will be able to know what it is that we are solving for and are able to provide us with the much needed capital in the sector. In case you need to get in touch with Jumo, visit our website www.jumo.world.
Join us in this financial inclusivity revolution, presented in partnership with Level 1 Project, Cyber PLC Academy, Cross-Select Technologies, Amphitex, Ideation Corner, and the Moduloop Foundation, with generous support from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Follow hashtag 40 Days 40 Fintechs, hashtag Level 1 Project to learn more and get involved in creating a brighter financial future for all.